Ludhiana, often known as the Manchester of India, is the industrial hub of Punjab. Dotted by thousands of small and medium enterprises, Ludhiana is the city of dreams and opportunity for every entrepreneur. We decided to take a trip to this land of entrepreneurship to visit an upcoming company in the field of industrial manufacturing. Rajesh Mahajan and his nephew Anish Mahajan found their niche in manufacturing nuts, bolts and industrial fasteners. Their family-owned company, Rajesh Fasteners, began 20 years ago at a time when Punjab's focus on industry was still very limited. Over the years, as industrialization grew in this primarily agrarian state, Rajesh Fasteners cashed in on the demand for industrial manufacturing.
तो नाइलक नट बनाते हैं, कैसल नट या व्हील नट बनाते हैं, तो इसी टाइप के नट को बुश बनवा लेते हैं लोग। एक्सपोर्ट में भी ज़्यादा जाते हैं हम लोगों के माल।
These are basically used for industrial infrastructure such as power generation in buildings and in manufacturing of malls, bridges, and these are also used in railways, in maintenance of coaches.
Rajesh Fasteners caters to various infrastructural projects in India and abroad. It is an indirect supplier of products to the Indian Railways and has many domestic clients who sell these products to builders abroad. The company has not yet ventured into direct exports but has plans of exploring international markets in the years to come.
Yeah, we have clients in our domestic market such as exporters and the retailers. In exporters, we have people who export their products, our products to USA, Europe and South Africa. And in domestic market, these products are used by infrastructure projects in construction of road, bridges and another thing from power generation.
प्लान तो होता ही सभी का डायरेक्ट एक्सपोर्ट हो, लेकिन कई बार ये होता है ना कि हम लोग भी उतना फंड नहीं लगा सकते, ठीक है ना। फंड की कमी होने के कारण भी हम सोचते हैं कि नहीं, पैसा ज़्यादा लगता है, बाहर नहीं भेजना चाहिए, हमको इंडायरेक्ट ही चाहिए, डायरेक्ट नहीं कर पाते।
A company that was short of initial capital, today Rajesh Fasteners has reached a turnover of 90 lakh rupees and is aiming to touch the 8-digit turnover mark in the near future. The company is constantly training its workforce to adopt cost-efficient production techniques while maintaining product quality. Apart from its 10 permanent employees, the company hires workers on contract basis depending on the volume of orders.
Our plans are to grow from this micro company to a semi-large scale industry, and we can able to rose to our sales in double-digit numbers in crores, and that's our dream.
Even through times of trial and slow growth, the company has kept its principles of quality and timely delivery aloft. It has constantly upgraded machinery and taken to newer production techniques with changing times. This, coupled with innovative products and thorough research and development, has given Rajesh Fasteners a taste of success in an otherwise competitive industry.
Our biggest strength is our market value, our quality of product, our labor, as our capacity to purchase raw material, and our management techniques.
Rajesh Fasteners takes great pride in its workforce. This is perhaps the reason why many of them have been with the company since the very beginning. In a city where numerous employment opportunities beckon skilled labourers, this company's workforce has firmly stuck since the very beginning. In a city where numerous employment opportunities beckon skilled labourers, this company's workforce has firmly stuck by its side through the years.
यहाँ पर हम लोगों को हर चीज़ की सुविधा है। जैसे कोई हम लोगों को मान लीजिए परिवार है, तर तबीयत खराब हो गया तो बाद उसका देखभाल कर देते हैं। नाले हम लोगों को कोई तबीयत खराब हुआ तो अपना सुविधा देते हैं, तो हम लोगों को कोई चीज़ का तकलीफ नहीं है, इसलिए हम लोग कहीं चेंजिंग नहीं करते।
दवा भी मिलता है, रोटी भी मिलता है समय से, पैसा भी समय से मिलता है, तो जो सुविधाएं हमको चाहिए वो सुविधाएं हमको मिलती रहती है यहाँ से, इसलिए और के बारे में हम सोचते नहीं हैं।
The manufacturing sector of Punjab accounts for almost 14 to 15% of the state domestic product, and with over 7,000 registered manufacturing enterprises in Punjab alone, competition is indeed very tough. Price wars among manufacturers, together with soaring raw material costs, are the biggest challenges for SMEs like Rajesh Fasteners.
We have a problem with the inflation of prices, which are related to steel. As we manufacture all the products from steel, and there is a lot of inflation. Each and every day there is a fluctuation in prices. When you are getting an order for near about approximate 35, and when you have to produce, the raw material prices may rose to 38.
Adding to the woes of manufacturers are the constant power cuts of Punjab. Even though the situation has improved in the last couple of years, micro, small and medium enterprises bear the brunt of frequent power cuts and often lose business in the process.
When you are getting order from an exporter, they have to supply that product in a scheduled time. So when we have power cuts, we are unable to provide them at their scheduled time. Government has to take a corrective measurement and action to give a proper power supply to an industry.
With a GDP rate of over 8%, India's growing economy is constantly in need of infrastructure. Companies that manufacture essential products like nuts and bolts are always in demand and are almost recession-proof. Even so, the next generation of Rajesh Fasteners envisions internet marketing, direct exports and corporate HR practices to restructure the company and take it to the next level. So that was Rajesh Fasteners looking to scale up its business by introducing newer marketing techniques and direct